Space, the final frontier. Tonight, me, Mr. Now, and Little Miss Now will take our first trembling steps into rocket science. Even though rocket science isn't really a science but more like a branch of aerospace engineering. Nevertheless, this is rocket science. We are going to make this rocket to pop out from this launch tube with vinegar and baking soda as a rocket fuel. Unfortunately, I didn't read the label properly, so instead of baking soda, we had baking powder. And since we are making one video per day, there was no time to back out. Vinegar and baking soda can be an explosive combination. This is because baking soda is alkaline, while vinegar is an acetic acid. Baking powder, on the other hand, already has an acidic component. And I suspect that's why we would expect a smaller effect, if any effect at all. This is the moment of truth. It's episode 8 of the Advent calendar, going to be our first fail. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. If we fail, we try again. And again. And then we give up. But then we try again. And finally. Pop goes the rocket.